Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to connect your hearing aids to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To connect our hearing aid via Bluetooth, we have to go to the settings first, then scroll all the way down until we see accessibility options right here. Then hearing enhancements. We need to go there, and here we have hearing aid support, and here we have Bluetooth hearing aids. It's a specific option for our hearing aids. Yes, please. It will search for our device. Unfortunately, I don't have one to show you how it exactly works, but it's similar to connecting any other Bluetooth device, although it's a little bit hidden in the accessibility options. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.